Hi everyone, welcome back. Next we have with us Sreelekshmi Sudarshan, an ex-graduate of the Kerala Blockchain Academy for sharing her blockchain experience. She is currently pursuing her PhD from Luleå University of Technology, Sweden, and undergoing her research in cyber physical systems. It's a great honor to have Ms. Sreelekshmi today at the two-day free blockchain bootcamp for women organized by KBA in collaboration with Kerala University of Digital Sciences, Innovation and Technology.
Thank you for inviting me to the Blockchain Bootcamp for Women, organized by Kerala Blockchain Academy. And I'm Sreelekshmi. I'm a PhD student from Luleå University of Technology in Sweden. And my area of specialization is in the cyber security, mainly in IoT and cyber physical systems. Today I'll be sharing a few of my experiences with you. So my journey started from my bachelor's. I did my bachelor's in cyber forensics. There I learned about, that course was quite interesting, and where we learned about digital evidence collection and seizing of computers in a crime scene. So for a girl like me, it was quite interesting to learn stuff like that. And mainly we learned about how to collect evidences, mainly how to copy a hard disk of a victim's computer, and how to shut down a system when a crime is occurred, and how to suspect somebody, and how to log the different evidences and sequences of events happened. So these are the things I have learned in that course. And also that time it was quite popular about hacking. So we got a small simulation to practice ethical hacking. That was also quite interesting. And after that, while doing this course, one of my dream was to join Kerala Cyber Cell. I thought that was the only opportunity for me to join. At the end of this bachelor's, I realized that that's not only the only way. There are a lot of broad range of opportunities for students who pass a bachelor's degree in computer science. So I applied to IIITMK, and I did my master's in cybersecurity. That was a triggering point for me in my career. I still remember the orientation class given by IIITMK, where one of my super senior discussed about the blockchain technology, and that was the first time I'm hearing this buzzword. So when I joined, at the time when I joined IIITMK, I had a lot of questions on my head. There were a lot of cyber attacks happening, and one of the problems or the loopholes with existing technologies, applications were centralization. So I didn't know anything about decentralized technologies. So when I heard about blockchain, which is a decentralized technologies, and it can solve most of the problems that we were suffering of on that time, especially insider attacks, which is impossible. And as we all know, in a centralized system, there are a lot of problems with its main property, centralization. We cannot trust the admin. If the admin is corrupted, then the entire system is corrupted. So this kind of malicious attacks, manipulations, and of course there's a list of attacks that can happen. I'm not going to that list because it's huge. Of course, they can target your financial status, your physical status, means your medical data, and also even you itself can be hacked, like identity problems. So this was a very concern that I had. So after hearing about blockchain, that was very curious because it's decentralized, it's transparent nature, and the immutability, which means you couldn't change anything, and the transparency means you can see what is happening. Everyone can see in the network what's happening. So all this stuff, this was really interested, and I got an opportunity to meet these people who were working in blockchain, and we were in a group, and I was given a few opportunity to work in a project. So that was a great experience, and I think that time Kerala Blockchain Academy is started, and it was very grateful to work with them in few projects, I think, and I learned a lot from them, and those people was also very helping. And the main opportunities that I was given was I got an opportunity to participate in a hackathon conducted by TCS, and on behalf of Kerala Blockchain Academy, we were about to participate, and it was a great platform, great exposure for me to understand real-time scenarios where we can use blockchain technology, and to listen to others' work, as well as our project was based on Kerala Flood Relief Fund money management system, and also I realized that even that one was a great exposure and a large platform for students to participate and share their knowledge through their skills. Uh, However, the number of women participated was quite low, and also when we come back to the college itself, uh, people who I mean students who participated in other projects, who involved in projects apart from their syllabus, was most probably men. Women were quite low. For me personally, I learned a lot from my friends, and the proactive nature of my friends that motivated me to become more proactive. That helped me a lot. And when we come to Triple ITMK and KPA provided another few other opportunities. Like I was given an opportunity to participate in a summer research fellowship program, and also through blockchain technology. The project was identity management using blockchain. That was also a turning point in my career, and so most of these opportunities that I was given was based on the newer technologies like blockchain and Internet of Things. So I suggest you to learn newer technologies like this, because people out there know a lot professionals are there who knows Python, Java, HTML. They are experts, but people who know these kind of newer technologies are few. So there is a great wide range of opportunities for youngsters, I mean freshers. And so these were the things, and at the end of my masters I realized that I have to learn more and more, and I want to learn more about this technology, about cybersecurity especially. So I decided to choose research oriented studies. So currently I am doing research PhD in authorization techniques in Internet of Things and cyber physical systems. So we will be using blockchain and other decentralized techniques in the near future. So that's the thing that I want to ask, that I want to say. And about women empowerment, of course, there are a lot of opportunities for women right now, and many universities, colleges, and companies are providing a lot of sessions like this, and initiatives for women empowerment. So as a woman, you have to use these technologies, and use these opportunities to prove your skills, and every dreams of yours will come true. And so we need more women. Even in my university, the number of women who is doing research in these newer technologies are quite low compared to men. So you have to come in front line. That is possible, and everyone will be there to help you in your journey. And so that's it. So you come forward and make this world a more better place to live. That's it. Thank you. If you have any questions, you can ask now.
Thank you, Sreelekshmi. That was a fair sharing of experience. I have a question. Do you have any hacks on hand that can help the women to simplify their life in technology-based field? I mean, when it comes to a technology-based profession, is there anything like that can lighten the journey of women in the sector?
Yeah, of course, yes. That, for example, I told you about this blockchain technology. This is an opportunity for women to prove their skills, because, as we all know, that some traditional technologies that were there are already experts are there in the society. So it is quite hard to get into that track. So if we learn newer technologies like blockchain, Internet of Things, this is more easy to get into a company with a high position, or even in research field. Also, these newer technologies are encouraged. They are encouraging newer technologies, especially women. Uh, yeah, that's what I meant.
Okay, which are the high profiles in demand in blockchain and cybersecurity when it comes to women?
When it comes to women in blockchain, it mostly I think I listened to a few people talk here today, and I didn't know that there are a lot of women working in blockchain. That is a happy thing to hear that a lot are interested and working. And when we go to Internet of Things, in cybersecurity, there are a lot of people. Even in my area, women are few. When we look into the low level, like PhD students, there are few people who are working on this, and they are trying to move forward. And yeah, in the near future, we can see a lot of faces, famous, illustrious faces in the internet, who will be changing the future.